If this hit Earth, we wouldn't even have time to scream. You've been looking at the wrong monster. For decades, we've feared black holes. Those invisible giants that swallow stars and bend reality itself. Black holes aren't the most terrifying thing in space. The real monster travels at the speed of light. Something that doesn't wait for you to find it, finds you. And when it does, you won't even have time to blink. 2. Black holes terrify us. And they should. They're cosmic prisons where the laws of physics break down. Where time stops and space folds in on itself. Cross the event horizon, and you're deleted from the universe. But here's the thing about black holes, they're slow. Patient, they sit in one place, warping everything around them. You can see them coming from light years away. Well, not see them exactly, but detect their shadow. Their gravitational fingerprint, they're predictable monsters. Now imagine something different. A weapon that fires across the cosmos at the speed of light. A burst of energy so intense it makes our sun look like a dying candle. Something that could sterilize our entire planet in less time than it takes to finish this sentence. No warning. No second chances. Just pure, instant annihilation. This isn't a nightmare, this is real. And it's already happened billions of times. 2. Gamma ray bursts, the most violent explosions in the universe. And we're only beginning to understand how truly terrifying they are. Picture this: a massive star, perhaps 100 times bigger than our sun, reaches the end of its life. Its core collapses in less than a second. The temperature spikes to billions of degrees. And then it detonates in a hypernova, an explosion so powerful it outshines entire galaxies. But here's where it gets interesting. As the black hole forms at the heart of this dying star, it doesn't just absorb everything quietly. It unleashes 2 narrow beams of gamma radiation from its poles. These aren't ordinary light beams. These are concentrated streams of the most energetic radiation in existence. How powerful. In 10 seconds, a gamma ray burst releases more energy than our sun will produce in its entire 10 billion year lifetime. Let that sink in. 10 seconds. And these beams don't just fade away. They slice through space like cosmic bullets, traveling at light speed across galaxies. Anything in their path gets hit with radiation so intense it rewrites the rules of destruction. But here's the truly chilling part. You wouldn't see it coming. Because gamma rays move at the speed of light, there's no warning signal, no countdown. The moment you detect it is the moment it's already hit you. Imagine standing outside on a normal day. The sun is shining, birds are singing, and then, without any warning whatsoever, the sky ignites, brighter than 1,000 suns. Within seconds, our ozone layer, the invisible shield that protects all life on Earth, would be obliterated. Not damaged, destroyed. The atmosphere would fill with nitrogen dioxide, turning the sky a sickly brown. Sunlight would barely penetrate. Plants would stop photosynthesizing. The temperature would plummet. Then comes the starvation, the collapse of ecosystems, the slow extinction of everything. But if the burst was close enough, the radiation would cause instant mass mutations, DNA scrambled beyond repair. Cancers in every living thing. Even the deepest ocean creatures wouldn't escape. This is extinction written in gamma rays. Now you're probably wondering how close is close enough. That's where it gets unsettling. A gamma ray burst from within our own galaxy, say a few thousand light years away, would be catastrophic. And these events aren't exactly rare. Gamma ray bursts happen somewhere in the universe every single day. Every single day. The only reason we're still here is cosmic luck. Those beams are narrow. Incredibly narrow. The odds of Earth being directly in the crosshairs are low, but not impossible. In fact, scientists believe it might have already happened once. 450 million years ago, something killed 85% of all life on Earth. The Ordovician extinction. For years, scientists couldn't explain it. But recently, evidence has pointed to a chilling possibility. A gamma ray burst. The pattern fits perfectly. A sudden radiation event from space. Atmospheric changes. Species wiped out seemingly at random. We may have already been hit and survived by pure chance, which raises an uncomfortable question: could it happen again? There's a star called WR104. It's 8,000 light years away and it's dying. When it explodes, and it might produce a gamma ray burst. And it's pointed roughly toward Earth. Should we panic? Probably not. The beam would have to be aimed with incredible precision to hit us. Most calculations suggest we're safe. Most. But here's what keeps astronomers awake at night right now. At this very moment, a star somewhere in the universe might have already exploded. A gamma ray burst could already be traveling through space, heading straight for us. It could arrive in 1,000 years, or tomorrow, and we wouldn't know until the sky starts burning. 2. Think about that for a second. Somewhere out there, a beam of annihilation might already have our name on it, racing through the void, crossing galaxies, getting closer every second. And there's nothing we can do about it. We can't block it. We can't outrun it. We can't hide. All we can do is watch the stars and hope that the universe isn't aiming one of these cosmic rifles in our direction. Black holes are terrifying because they're final, the ultimate dead end. But gamma ray bursts, they're something else entirely. They're proof that in the vast, beautiful mystery of space, the deadliest threats aren't always the ones we can see. Sometimes, the scariest thing in the universe is the light itself. 2. So the next time someone tells you black holes are the most terrifying thing in space, smile. Because now you know the truth. The real monster isn't the one lurking in the dark. It's the one traveling at the speed of light. And it doesn't care if you're ready or not.